Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your bank account. If you've made some profits and want to transfer them safely, the process is straightforward. First, log into your Pocket Option account and make sure your account is verified, as withdrawals are only available for verified users. Next, head over to the Finance section and select Withdrawal. Here, you'll see all available withdrawal methods. Choose Bank Transfer as your option. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw and provide your bank account details, including the account number and bank name. Double-check all the information to avoid delays. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm and your withdrawal request will be processed. You may also get a confirmation email about your withdrawal status. Using bank transfer is one of the safest ways to access your profits from Pocket Option. Make sure your account details are accurate to prevent any delays. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Drop a comment below if you want more step-by-step guides on Pocket Option.